Meet the Meross Smart Bulb, the easy way to upgrade your home lighting. Enjoy vibrant colors, smart app control, and hands-free voice control for a smarter everyday experience. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Meross Smart Bulb, a user manual, and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Plug and pair. Getting started is quick and straightforward. Screw the Meross Smart Bulb into a compatible E26 light socket and switch it on. Download the Meross app on your Android or iPhone, then sign in or create a free account. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network before adding the bulb. In the app, tap Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Once connected, you can adjust brightness, choose from millions of colors, create custom scenes, set schedules and timers, and control your lighting from anywhere using the app or hands-free with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. Smart features? Save energy without sacrificing brightness. The smart LED design uses less electricity than traditional bulbs, while delivering long-lasting, reliable lighting for everyday use. Create the perfect atmosphere with custom lighting scenes. Save your favorite color and brightness combinations, then switch between them instantly with a tap or voice command. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Meross Smart Bulb. See you in the next one.